Hi everyone, I'm Will and this is my workday tracker. So this is an area where I make notes about my workday and I make quick to-do lists and I also track my mood and I use it every day and found it really useful. I wanted to share it with you guys. So I'm going to do a quick run through of it now and show you how it works. So we've got two areas in this. We've got a mood tracker up the top here and then we've got this workday calendar. So we'll look at the mood tracker in a second and we'll focus on the workday calendar now. So I'm going to make an entry in this bit last month for the 31st. We've got 3 demo entries here. Let's make a new one just here. So the idea is if today was the 31st, I'd make a new entry in here. I click on this template button here, new devlog. So I call it a devlog because I do development work. And you can see straight away it adds in our quick tasks. So let's add in do this, do that, do something else, and then we got this notes section. So for the notes, this might be where you make meeting notes or any notes you want to make about the day, moaning to yourself about your boss if you want, whatever it might be. So the idea is this is a very personal space. You could share certain pages with other people. So sometimes, I do a new page, I create a page inside of here, and then I share that with someone else if they need to know something, but most of the time this is just a place where I make notes about my day. And you can see when I added the template here, it automatically added my mood as happy. So I've got 3 different moods in here: happy, meh, and oh my god, I wish the day would end. And usually I'm quite happy, so that is the default mood. And then you've got a title up here. Normally I call it devlog, 2022. I do all that stuff, but you can call it whatever you want because we've already got the date here. So let's say this was an awesome day, let's call it that. And then you've got this one little hidden property here, and it's a formula property, and that box gets checked if this entry is in the current month. So because we were making this one in May and now it's June, this box won't be ticked. So I'm going to close this, and then we've got 3 entries here. So these are some more demo entries. We'll open up this one and you can see that box is now checked because it is June and this was made on June 6th, but we can hide it again. So that box basically just gets hidden away. We don't need to worry about it, all automatic, and you'll see why we add that in a minute. So this is demo entry number 1. You got some tasks and notes. We were happy. I like that Notion added this new feature in. We can just click up and down, makes it really easy. So demo entry number 2, the mood was meh, not great. We didn't do any tasks. It wasn't as good as yesterday, blah, blah, blah. And then demo entry number 3, it was a horrible day. What even is today? Let's make tomorrow better. Cool. So those are all our demo entries. So this is how the main area works. And then you've got this table here, which is, you can see all the stuff together. And it's ordered by date. So we'll go back to the calendar view. Right, now we can move on to the mood tracker. So I find it important to track my mood because sometimes I might be feeling, I might have 10 minutes of being stressed and everything's all hectic and I think, oh, this is ridiculous, what's the point? And then I can look at my mood tracker and realize, oh no, on average, I'm actually quite happy most of the time. Well, so this will pass, it'll be fine. So if we open up the mood tracker here, we've got 2 tabs here. So we've got this month and previous months. So you can see on this month we had 1 happy day, 1 meh day, and 1 awful day. And it shows you a nice preview of what was happening those days. So if I was to make another one, let's say on the 9th, we'll add it here. It's got no mood in there at the minute. Use our template. Cool, we're happy. New entry. Some notes. And there we go. You can see it in the left there, getting added automatically to this section. And then it tracks, cool, we had 2 happy days. So then we go to the previous months and we've got this one in the last 7 days. We've got that entry made there called awesome day. So we can see we had 1 happy, awesome day. And so that will just get populated and then everything in here will be grouped by the month. So it's got, I think, last 7 days, last 30 days, and then it starts grouping it by the month. So you'll see all of, January, February, March, everything just grouped together in order there. And then it'll tally up everything. So I think on my personal one, I have like 159 happy days, 20 something meh days, and I think it's only 4 like absolutely awful days. So yeah, that's quite a good run really. And then it makes me realize just how happy I am, which is always nice to look at. So that is pretty much everything. That's a rundown of, you've got your mood tracker in here, You've got your calendar in here, and you've got your template automatically built in. When you create a new item, click that button, and it will make a new happy template for you. So that is the template in a nutshell. You've got your quick tasks, your notes section, and a place to track your mood. So let me know if there's anything you think should be added, or if you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll get back to you and answer you. And then I'll put a link in the description where you can download the template. So I hope you have a good day. I hope you enjoy using the template, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.